In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make high ticket money building websites for clients, even if you're not a designer or coder, using GoHighLevel's simple drag and drop builder. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've been looking for a service you can offer that brings in consistent premium paying clients without overwhelming your schedule or requiring years of experience, this might be the most underrated path out there right now. Let's get into it. So first off, what is GoHighLevel? GoHighLevel is an all-in-one sales and marketing platform that includes a full website and funnel builder, CRM, email automation, appointment booking, and so much more. But for this video, we're focusing on one core feature, which is the website builder, and how you can use it to create beautiful, high-converting sites for clients in just a few hours. The builder is 100% drag and drop. You don't need to code. You don't need to worry about plugins, hosting, or site speed. Everything is cloud-based and optimized for mobile. And the best part is you can reuse templates across clients, which saves you time as you grow. So why website services are still a great business? The truth is, nearly every business needs a website, but most small business owners, coaches, and service providers don't know where to start. They don't have time to figure out WordPress, don't want to deal with developers, and just want something clean that works. That's where you come in. As a freelancer or a solo service provider, offering a done-for-you website service is still one of the best ways to generate $1 to $5K per client, especially if you package it as more than just a website, but as an online hub that helps them attract leads, book clients, or make sales. And with GoHighLevel, you can deliver that entire experience without needing to build everything from scratch. So now let's get into how to build and sell websites with GoHighLevel. So let's walk through how this works from start to finish. Step number one is you need to pick your target client. So the first step is deciding who you want to build for. This makes everything easier, your templates, your pricing, your messaging. Great options to start with are local service providers like med spas, gyms, cleaning companies, contractors, or coaches or consultants who need a booking site, or real estate agents or mortgage brokers, online experts who want a simple personal brand site, course creators or affiliates who need landing pages. You don't need to serve everyone. Focus on one group and your offer will instantly become more valuable. Step number two is to set up your GoHighLevel account. Once you know who you're serving, you're going to completely revamp GoHighLevel. So if you want to follow along, I've left the link in the description for you. So you actually can get a free trial too if you use our link in the description below. So all you do is go ahead and say 14-day free trial, and then we can type in company name, full name, email address, and a phone number. And then you can click go to step 2. And then from here, you can go ahead and select the starter or unlimited plan. I'm just on the starter plan, so you can start there, move up from there. You'll enter in your credit card information, and then you'll select the boxes and you will go ahead and get signed up. So you'll get access to all of the features. So we've got marketing. So this is like a social planner, emails, snippets, countdown timers. We've got automation. So this is different workflows that you can create. They have a bunch of different templates that you can use. They've also got membership, so you can create a client portal, media storage, reputation. So this is where you can connect with Google Business and just get reviews, etc. There's also Google Ads reporting. And then you've also even got all of your conversations in one place, calendars, contacts, opportunities, so like a CRM, and you can also collect payments. So let's get into where the website is though. So step number 3 is to build the website. So you'll use a template or build from scratch. So if you're creating it for you, you would create it directly in here. But if you're creating it for a client, you would create a sub account and then create a website. You would create the website inside the sub account. So that way they have their own login and all of their own GoHighLevel. All you do is click create new website. Let's go from templates because it will just make your life so much easier. Find one that fits your niche and your brand or whoever you're creating it for. Maybe you're doing more beauty and you want something like this, or maybe more wellness inspired and something like this. You even can filter over here. So there's beauty and fashion or health and wellness. So maybe we'll select something like this, and then you can go ahead and click continue. Okay, so GoHighLevel makes it super easy because everything's drag and drop. Anything you want to insert over here, any of the elements are over here. It's really important to start with a template and one that actually fits the vibe that you're going for, because if you're going to change everything, you might as well start from scratch. But if this is something that looks interesting to you, you can use this template and just go ahead and change the background, change the font, change the style, etc. You can change everything. In this one here even has a built-in appointment link, so then you can get an appointment link specifically right here. If you want to add any other elements like heading, subheading, paragraph, you literally just come in here and you can drag it over. They've also got pre-built sections, so about, so you can drag this in. They've got call to actions. They've got footers, image slider, list, partners. They've also got different widgets you can add in, like testimonial template. So there's some free ones and there's some paid ones. But even there's a ton of free ones here that you can install. You can also add an online store as well. But they even have a ton of different elements in here, like you can add custom code, you can add a survey, calendar, progress bar, 2-step order, 1-step order, order confirmation. There's so much in here, so you really can customize it to fit your needs. And then if you want to come and change the menu bar, you'd come over here. This is where you can edit it directly, and you can select the URL that the about page would go to, the plans, etc. Here, if you want to change the page as well, you can go to the appointment page and the thank you page. Amazing. It's very easy to even add a new page. So you can just come in here and add new page, and maybe this is the about, create new page. Now we can create from blank or use existing. We'll just copy maybe the home page, and then we can edit it to our liking. You also can look at the stats, the sales, the security, events, and settings as well. So there really is so much that you can do with it. So after you've got the website complete, let's move on to step number 4, which is add bookings, forms, and CRM integration. So here's where it gets super powerful. GoHighLevel isn't just a static site builder. It includes booking tools, forms, and full CRM automation. That means you can add a calendar so clients can book calls, collect leads using forms that go straight into a CRM, trigger automated follow-up emails or texts, track conversions and page views in real time. Most website builders don't offer this, and it's exactly what makes your service more valuable. You're not just building a site, you're building a client-generating machine. So this site already has a booking link in there that we created, but you also can go ahead and create different calendars. So if you wanted to create a personal booking that is like a strategy call or a sales call or a coffee date, whatever it may be, you can add the calendar name, select the team member, add the calendar booking URL, and then select the time and availability that you have open. Then there's also workflows. So if you go to automation and workflow, let's just say someone enters a form and that means that they want to book a call with you. They have a bunch of different recipes in here. So this is appointment booking. So this is an automation. We'll go ahead and take a look at this. So maybe the trigger is appointment booked, or someone messaged you or said that they wanted this, or someone got tagged saying that they want an appointment. So then you'll send the appointment prompt. Hey, thanks for taking advantage of our offer. The next step is to book a quick consultation call. Is now a good time to get started? You can wait for a response. If they replied, it's yes, no. If it's true and they said yes, then they'll send the calendar link. If it was no, internal notification to you to follow up. If nothing, then you can send day 2 reminder SMS text, okay? So again, this is set up for you, and that way it works on the back end, so you don't have to be consistently trying to book appointments. You can have it all completely automated. And then if they book a call, they can also be automatically put into your CRM. So if you go to opportunities, we can create a new pipeline. Create new pipeline. Let's say lead pipeline. So then we'll go ahead and click save. Cool. Now we can go ahead and look at opportunities. Now we have our lead pipeline right here. So now what we can do is set it up so as soon as somebody fills out a form or books a call, they can automatically be put here. And then what happens is, let's add an opportunity, just as an example. What you can do is enter everything in here, and what you'll want to do is add the opportunity value. That way you can see what your earning potential is based on all of your leads. So maybe you have, 2,000 in rapport and 4,000 in sales calls. And then you can see as soon as they're closed that opportunity is now closed and you have gotten 6K. Really cool, just to motivate you and for you to see the potential of what's out there and with all of your leads what you can make. So again, I know we're talking about websites here, but this is how you can use this as an all-in-one platform and deliver it to clients as an all-in-one platform. Step number 5 is to launch and deliver. So once the site is done, you can preview it on mobile and desktop, connect their domain, GoHighLevel hosts everything for you, and then hit publish. You can also walk the client through how to update basic content or offer a monthly maintenance add-on for an extra income stream. Some freelancers also include 1 round of revisions, a quick launch call, or a 7-day support window. You can shape your offer based on how involved you want to be. Now, how to price this as a high ticket service. Let's talk about pricing because this is where most people undercharge. Here's a basic range you can start with. So basic one pager, like for a local plumber or fitness coach, $750 to $1,200. Multi-page business site with booking, which is like $1,500 to $2,500. Sales funnel with automations, you can charge anywhere from $2 to $5K. And don't forget monthly upsells. So hosting and maintenance, $49 to $149 per month. Email and SMS automation, about $99 a month. You can also do client portal setup or lead tracking, add-ons based on value. GoHighLevel makes all of this possible from one dashboard, so you're able to deliver high-end results without paying for 10 different tools. So, like I mentioned, you can get access to the 14-day free trial, but I just wanted to show you the different plans and pricing options. So, at this very moment in time, they have a couple of different options here. They've got a starter plan, which is $97 a month. You get a ton of features still, like the CRM, the website and funnel. You get lead forms, compliance, support, funnel templates, websites, social media templates, pipelines, memberships and courses, etc. Then you've got the unlimited plan, which is $297 per month. You get everything that's in the starter plan, but you get unlimited sub accounts, API access, and a branded desktop app, as well as phone and email rebilling without markup. Lastly is the Agency Pro, and this is $497 a month. And with this, you get everything in the unlimited, but you also get SaaS mode, email, phone, text, AI, rebilling with markup, split testing, and advanced API access. So choose the plan that best fits your needs, but I would recommend going with the free trial and then going from there. I know how easy it is to get stuck in the mindset of I need an expert before offering a service like this, but the truth is you only need to be a few steps ahead of your clients, and GoHighLevel will take care of the rest. If you're ready to get started with GoHighLevel's website builder, check out our exclusive link in the description below. This channel is dedicated to helping you build real income streams with digital tools, smart systems, and side hustles that actually work. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.